Where's that, peeps? I think I'm gonna grow my hair out, at least the top anyway, for it to get a bit of texture, a couple curls on the top, you know. I'm gonna stop lining it up, I'm just gonna let my fringe grow out as well. I'm gonna look dusty for a little bit, but that's part of the process, you know. So I've put these the wrong way around. I feel like the internet's frozen or something. Oh, I'm not in the mood for a shitty internet day. That's what we're being given, yeah. It always starts moving better when I look for a new connection. Alright, we're on hotspot right now. I have to make do with hotspot. Alright, interesting. Let's see if we can. A bit late for that, if that's a move, but let's see. Might be. Do look like we made equal highs though. Oh, come on, man. Don't fucking do this to me. I'm on 5G right now, bro. Do you know who I am? I got 5Gs. 5 of my Gs. Alright, switching back. To the EE Mini Hub. Come on, my G. Really feel like we're missing out on a trade right now. It's teaching me a lesson. I should have been on the charts. I should have been on the charts at least 10 minutes ago. It's not a really good thing to start trading at this time, is it? Alright, let's try this again. Personal hotspot. That's pissing me off, man. Come on. 5G. Alright, let's get a fresh Chrome. Trading view, come on. Come on, man. Money to be making, blood. Can't be making it without being online, can we? And then you know it one night hands. One time being a rock roll band. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. Yes, okay. Nice, we're on. Let's like try not to scare away the rabbit. CT. Load me up. Alright, let's just get this top down analysis cracking. I'm guessing that's an important level. If I've already drawn it and it hasn't been taken. Okay, so London, I actually took these lows here. So interestingly enough, we're actually reacting. So we came down, okay, we've now took that, we've still respected that gap. But, okay, see this then. Got a lot of equal lows going on. Relatively equal lows, okay. Equals highs, equals lows. Then we came and took these lows, pushed higher. We completed that cycle. Now we're in a 30-minute gap, looking like we're gonna come and take this low here. That's what I think is our target for the day. And then somehow we're still respecting that. And then we have just took a bunch of liquidity here, inverted this gap here, and now we're pushing for this low. So this was a move, but I'd probably say this move's finished though now. From these highs to these lows, we took that low, inverted that, okay. So I think that this is our draw, and then I would possibly say that we've got a bigger draw going on. I don't know though after this. We'll have to see how we react to stuff. I'm probably gonna end up maybe hitting one of these targets for the day. That's nice because it goes into a 4-hour gap. So yeah, we're gonna be looking at these targets for today. When we take this, don't really know, but this is a really nice move here. Targeting that level there. Really, really nice that is. Let's see if we can get any smaller moves inside of this. But I feel like we might not. I'm also going to get FX book open and I'm going to start just putting this in. Today we're going to risk, I think we're going to risk 35 now. Would be 70, so we could probably do, yeah, let's do 35. That'll be fine. £35. Cool. Man, it would be absolutely legendary if I could get this account out of Drawdown and still pass phase 2. It'd be phenomenal. It really would. But let's see what happens. So it's not really an accumulation. I mean, it is a bit. Yeah, it is a bit weird, I know. Even here, we're not really accumulating. I just want to see at least a little bit of accumulation. I do think that this is the target. Makes the most sense. Ooh, look at that, equal lows. Just noticed that, so maybe. Ooh, okay, so we might have this as an accumulation up there to there to there to there. If we can come up high here, mess around, just play around just a little smidge and then go higher and sweep it, I'll be in. I do quite like this. Yeah, I do really like this actually. The more I see it from there to there to there to there, we just have not broke out of this range for an hour. No, actually, the range what got made at 20 past, so 45 minutes we haven't broke out of it. Something bad is about to happen to me. Okay, so yeah, we need to. If this is a valid accumulation, what we're looking at, we've got a 5-minute gap there, 15-minute gap there, so that is so perfect. If we can get that move, we have a lovely 15-minute gap to fill. This is going to be beautifully textbook if we can get it. Got a higher time frame PD. Accumulation right next to it. All we need to do is come and tap into it. Also now, if we look at candle theory, the 1 hour candle's made its bottom wick and is showing bullish signs. So it defo really looks like we're going to take this low, but yeah, we're going to see. We haven't even tapped into that gap yet, so. The question on my mind now would be, can we take a long up to there? And I feel like the answer is no, unless we start showing bullish signs, making some gaps. I think this where the strategy comes and has a bit more legs, is when we look at fair value gaps. And if there's no gaps to use, this frozen. Yeah. Okay. I'll pretend I didn't see that, Mr. Trading View. See, this is kind of nice off the bat. No, it's not. Well, I wonder why we didn't have a 3-minute fair value up here. Oh no, it's just literally goes in it now, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, and that would never have let us have it anyway. Let's see though, this could. Now, for example, this weren't a bad move here. Would have been a tough one to get in on. And really probably wouldn't have even yielded anything in the end, but. Damn, that was a big old flip. Didn't even give us a gap. Okay, this is looking good. Something bad got to happen to me. I don't know, but I feel it coming. Might be so sad, might leave my nose running. I just want you to find it. Don't want you give me up. Don't give up. Always have love. Only you, darling. Let's rock. Boom, scum, ba-bum. Stum, Alright everyone, this is a C major. Lots of ways to play the same chord in it, so there's that. And then there's maybe that's just a and then there's even I know. Next time it's that high. It's supposed to be my glory day. Boom, late nights that I can't even feel my face. Say you're going now, but he said it was just a phase. I'm sure that will never change. Yeah, will it ever change? Yeah, red and tequila, keep me up right through the night. I gotta check my exercise. My friends wouldn't let me, they know I. Most of the time I feel so much, so I don't have to feel at all. Staring at the ceiling, staring at the writing on the wall. Is there some type of pill I could take that'll make it all go away? Doctor, won't you give me something? Would you? Doc, I'm only 20 something. Would you? I'm way too young to feel this love. Yeah. Would you? My eyes, I saw you already go. Yeah. 'Cause I don't see things too clearly. I think I could use a little perspective from you. Oh, I do. 'Cause my mind's always racing. Ain't no way to slow the pacing. This is definitely not to be trusted until it takes this low. If we take this low, respect this gap, and inverse this, then I might be in on it. But not until all of those criteria have been met. Because that, in my eyes, people, is a relatively equal low. Is it 49, 48? Yeah, it's basically the same. That's how you already go. That's the same thing here, look. Relatively equal highs. Looks like we're gonna go down, but bang, straight back up. Equal lows, bang, take them out. I can't even convince myself to get in that. Trust me, I'm not getting that. Unless, like I said, I want to see this get taken by at least, we need to at least hit 45, 46. And we need to respect that gap. I don't think we'll get it. I don't think we might not get it, but it's fine if we don't. It's not the strongest move anywhere. So with that equal low at the bottom, it becomes even less of a strong move. I think that might invert this gap as well. No. Come on, I wouldn't mind being in this trade, to be honest. if you commentate this low, just take it with a swift move, my G. Come and take it swiftly. No Taylor. Technically we've inversed this gap here. I don't think we're gonna get a chance for this. It's inverted that gap now. Let's see if it goes. I feel like it probably will. But, like I said, probabilities. The probabilities decrease because of this. So, it's not for me. Probably wouldn't have even been in it at this point either. It's not a great risk reward either. I'm about to wait for a pullback, which might not happen. So we're gonna let it do its thing right now. We're gonna let it do its little thing. Oh damn, it just jumped. What the fuck? Right, so it did take the high. Wouldn't have been a chance for me to get in. Okay, so we got a bullish candle versus a bearish candle. No, it's just ended up bearish. Sleepy. No, it would have been stopped at break even if I was even in that trade. Unless that's relatively equal highs, it actually is equal highs. So we actually didn't take that high. Alright, so now actually we have another accumulation happening. I've just clocked. We've got from here to here going on. Not that I feel like we'll get in anywhere. I feel like we're gonna go higher, and I'm not looking for a short at this point. But this would be bloody awesome if we could get like a pull to the downside and then for sure. That would be pretty rad, dude. But the thing is, there's no higher time frame. There's no higher time frame. Fair value gaps for us to use. So it's gonna have to be a quick scoop and respect if we can get in, but I don't think we will. I don't think it's going to come that far down. But I might be wrong. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Could do. We've just inverted that gap, so. Another accumulation. Really accumulating heavy here. What I want to see is like a big bearish candle. I want to see something like this again. Look, that candle followed by that candle followed by a big wick that just scoops under that. I think we might break through these lows with this. Yeah, nice. Okay, drop a bit more. Let's keep going with that. Let's have some intention. Let's have some bearish intention. Let's have a bearish intention. Go on, yeah, drop. 15 more seconds. Let's close strong. Yeah, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, I'll take that. Now Let's just have a big old... Oh, boy. Oh, that's so annoying. Let's just close the gap like that. So unnecessary. Having said that, if we can get a gap lower, that's just going to give me a better risk to reward. The lower the fair value gap is in the range, it's going to be better for us. We've got like a double accumulation going on here. Accumulating inside of an accumulation. Should take off with some real power once if we can scoop below this. Really wanting to see that. I do see it happening as well, to be honest. Scooping these two equal lows. Alright, nice candle. Really nice candle. Nice rejection. Don't take. We might actually. I don't see how it's even possible for us to get in on this at this point. I just don't see how we could possibly make a fair value gap while still respecting that. It's just realistically not going to happen. There's not really any other gap for us to respect. This has been already disrespected. I was going to say like we could come to that and respect it, but it's been disrespected already. It's not possible. It's literally not possible for us to make a gap at this point. What I'd rather see is a big old sweep. Respecting this, I'd rather see that get respected and not see an IFVG than see this inverted. I don't want to see that inverted. Looks like he's going to get inverted though, unfortunately. Yeah, it did. And we've got So he didn't give me either. Inverted that and we closed that. It still hasn't took the low. Don't tell me that's our sweep. Nah, I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it after all that accumulation. See? Call it bullshit. There's not even a single fair value up that I can even get in higher. Like at this point, I'm like, okay, if there was one here or something, I would be like, okay, cool, we could get in using that one, but I just can't take this as much as I think it's gonna go. I can't take it. I got no respect here. I got no inversion. I'd have no brains if I took this. That's a really nice candle though. That's gonna go. Telling you that's the move there. That's it right there. That's what I've been waiting for. Oh, I really want to fucking take this trade. I'm not gonna lie to you. I really do. Put a stop like that. TP like that. Really want to fucking take this trade. I'm trying to hold myself back because I just, despite all the other stuff, all the other criteria that I need to meet, I just know that that's gonna be a good trade. Look at all these equal lows, all them equal highs. I think the thing is that like the reason why I'm not gonna take this trade because of the lack of criteria is that I need more confirmation that the draw is higher. For example, there is still this draw here, and it could still go to that. And what a fair value gap would tell me at this point is that okay, we are actually wanting to go higher. Like this was an accumulation. This is a valid accumulation whether it goes higher now or not. It could just take this low and then take this high here. But the fair value gap is going to tell me that yeah, okay, we're holding, we should go higher. And then if I see that get swept and we're holding a fair value gap, that's the kind of thing that I want to see. And that's what we're missing from this trade, unfortunately. It's a massive. If this inverts, then this is a bit of a mad one, to be honest. See, this is why we don't get in. This is why we don't get in trades that don't match the criteria. I'd be pissed if I was in this trade right now. I'd be like, ah, you fucking idiot. You knew it. You should have stuck to your guns. You knew it. Oh my gosh, look. Look what is being presented to us, folks. We've only gone and made an IFVG, haven't we? Oh, we've got equal lows here as well. Oh my gosh. We've got a fair value gap. Oh, it just got inverted. It just got fucking inverted. God damn it. 5 minute. Might hold. It's looking like the draws here now, to be honest. Don't know though. Depends how we play this next few minutes. This is technically a strong gap right here. So if we can hold it, and it has been holding. Although it seems ludicrous not to take this low now at this point. It seems absolutely ludicrous. I might have to accept that the bias might be slightly wrong. However, alright, so it took the low. Have we took the low yet? Yeah, we took the low. By enough. Now I want to see a massive turnaround. That's what I want to see. I want to see this absolutely shoot back up and respect this gap. I don't think that's going to happen, but that's what I want to happen. All my trade ideas are out the window now. got no high time frame fucking thingy either, which sucks a butt. I really want this. I really want to take this fucking high, but I just can't now. We've invited way too much stuff on the other side. There's literally nothing holding it. There is nothing holding it off. Except for this, maybe. But I feel like in context, for us to come all the way down there just to come back up makes no sense. That's a big move. It's a lot of money. But it's not actually that big of a move, actually. Alright. We consider it a 3-minute gap here. Let us see how we react. To be honest, I might just be wrong about this whole setup there. Okay, we're in the gap. I said it was going to be a lot of money, and it fucking was. Oh boy, a lot to consider here. We're also in a 1 hour gap. So that's a problem as well. If this inverts, I think call it a day. Because barely respected. So, I'm waiting to see if these fucking holds or not. It's probably not gonna. It's just a stupid price to fucking sit at again. There's no. What the fuck, bro? Apparently, it's respecting. That's what it says to me. That's where the line is. I don't fucking know at this point. We need to get out of this 1 hour gap, to be honest. That's gonna be a deal breaker. Yeah, out of it. Oh, we're getting out of it. Something about that one time. Why I feel this way, I don't know, baby. One minute to see if we invert this 1 hour gap. I am starting to feel like that accumulation is a little bit far-fetched anyway, to be honest. It's not a clear draw on liquidity anymore. I wanted it to take the high, I wanted it to come up above so we could come below, but we've already come below. Come below, sausage. Alright, we've inverted the 1 hour, so we need a complete change of bias now, peeps. Don't trust that anymore. Alright, so 4 hour came back down. Not sure why. Not sure why. Alright, looking like we're gonna come and take this low of this 4 hour candle. We did take liquidity up here. A nice move. So yeah, that was bound to happen. I was a bit caught up in this, in wanting it to come above and then go below, but this makes more sense. So I'm actually gonna get rid of that. problem is we're low down in this range as well. Like, even if we came into this 5 minute gap here, I would not trust it. Just wouldn't. Because it's so low in the range. I'm gonna log off. I'm gonna keep my chart open. I do some work and I'll just check on the charts a little bit in the background, but yeah, I think today is pretty much done.